Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest.
Volleyball fans, dito tayo sa ating pangatlong laro para sa ating finals game 1 between the Emilio Aguinaldo College Manila and the Emilio Aguinaldo College Cavite. Dalawang kupunan na magagaling at ngayon magbabakbakan dito sa ating women's volleyball.
Ayan, talagang makikita natin dito kung sino ang mananalo between these two EAC school. So, dapat natin tutukan dito sa Tanawan, Batangas at sa loob ng K Colleges. Itong dalawang teams na to na magharap for their game number 1. So in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakan nito only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
At ayan na nga po ang ating dalawang kupunan, the EAC Cavite and EAC Manila, ready to conquer the volleyball court inside here, the Faith Colleges covered court. Dalawang kupunan, parehong eskwelahan, pero magkaiba ang gustong makuha ngayon. So now let's see kung sino nga ba ang mas matatag sa Manila and Cavite to get this championship for our women's volleyball.
Now, here are the starting 6 for both teams. Manila versus Cavite. First to serve, EAC Cavite. Jersey number 3, Peralta. On the deck to serve. Formento setting up. Dayanan. Nice up on the side of Cavite. Soft touch. Londo. Lomod. Jersey number 14 on the side of Cavite. Smart move. First blood will go on the side of EAC Cavite.
Now, let's see here as the EAC Cavite having that 1 point. Soft touch pero too short para dito kay jersey number 18, Razonable. 2 straight points coming from the EAC Cavite side. Now Peralta serving.
Dayanan. Nice dig on the side of Cavite. Now Lomod. No. Too strong on that attack coming from Manila. So what a great start on the side of Cavite. Peralta again. But an error. Service error para dito kay Peralta. So first point on the side of Manila.
Now jersey number 3 here, Magalona, serving. Outside, so a bonus point sa side ng EAC Cavite.
Formento setting up Dayanan. Touch net on the side of EAC Cavite.
Now, one more time here, EAC Manila, Dayanan.
Formento setting up a jersey number 18, Razonable, and catches the line on that last play.
Now, Dayanan, once again serving the ball for the side of EAC Manila.
Free ball. Chance for Manila here to score. And with that second chance of opportunity, EAC Cavite getting a point. Let's see one more time on this instant replay. And wow. Jersey number 18, Mortel.
And as we can see right now, Rick, a 2-point lead coming from the side of EAC Cavite. Good start for them. Now Formento setting up for jersey number 18. Now Cavite on the run. Miscommunication between the players. Nagkaturuan pa kung sino yung kukuha ng bola. And with that, mas lumalaki na yung kalamangan dito ng EAC Cavite. Now jersey number 18, Mortel serving.
Great serve. Dayanan pipe attack. Ball still alive. And now, Formento setting up Razonable. Good floor defense on the side of Cavite. Free ball. A chance for Manila here to score. Dayanan pipe attack. And too much wrist action on that last attack coming from Dayanan.
Now let's see here, Mortel again. And still, the gap of the EAC Cavite stretching into 4 points.
Attack error para kay Makasait. Now, Manila. Razonable on the deck to serve. Drops on the end line. So service ace para dito kay Razonable.
Ngayon nga, paunti-unti nang kinukuha ng EAC Manila yung kalamangan ng Cavite. 5-7 on our scoreboard. Now Razonable again to serve.
Sharp serve. Back set. And Bade getting a touch on that last attack. So point will go on the side of EAC Cavite. Formento setting up her teammates, soft touch. Ball is still alive. Pipe attack on the side of Cavite. Pero napalakas yung tirang yon. So the ball or the point will go on the side of Manila.
Now here, 6-8 sa ating scoreboard. Cavite having this advantage of 2 points. Jersey number 5, Lepitan, serving.
One-two play, nabantayan dito, Formento in the middle, miscommunication, so chance on the side of Cavite and Makasait with that powerful cross court.
Now Makasait will serve the ball now.
Formento to Domo, and Domo successful on that down the line hit. Rather Alimen.
Now jersey number 12, Formento. 7-9, 2 puntos ang nahabol nila dito. One error, very crucial one.
Great save. Denied at the net. Just at the net. And Manila will get a score. EAC Manila.
Now, hindi lang nagkakalayo yung puntos dito ng EAC Cavite at EAC Manila. But with this 2-point lead of Cavite, it is still a big advantage for them. Now, jersey number 19, Alimen, serving.
Nice serve. Bade. Makasait giving up a free ball on the side of Team Manila. Formento setting up Diana. Nice dig on the side of Cavite. Now, Lomod. Dug up. Rally continues. And outside shot on that last sequence coming from Razonable.
Peralta.
Pipe attack. Ball still alive. Lomod. Hindi nagawa ng paraan yung broken set on the side of EAC Cavite. Now, EAC Manila. Magalona on the deck to serve. Makasaet setting up her teammate. Formento to Dayanan. Slow by the block. And now on the attack, Cavite. Jersey number 5, Bade. Secures that point. Lomod to serve. What a serve. Formento to Razonable. Using the hands of the blocker.
EAC Manila. Humahabol at humahabol para dito sa EAC Cavite. Now let's see here as Dayanan will serve the ball.
Makasaet. Razonable. It doesn't cross the net, so the ball will go on the side. The point will go on the side of EAC Cavite.
Now EAC Cavite, napakaganda ng momentum nila from the start of this first set. And they still continue to dominate it. At hindi nga napapababa ng EAC Manila yung kalamangan na yan. 11-13. Now Razonable to serve.
Razonable on the deck to serve. Peralta setting up. Porto. And it was good.
Laging may sagot dito yung EAC Cavite. Now let's take a look at it again. Porto. Let's see, ano pabawi dito ng EAC Manila.
Formento. Nice coverage. Makasaet. Gagawa ng paraan. Formento, 1-2 play. A nice leg. Pipe attack. Buhay pa rin ang bola. What? A shot on that last sequence. Jersey number 19, Alimen. Cut shot.
Jersey number 5, Lapitan. Serving now, 12-14 sa ating scoreboard in favor of EAC Cavite. A good floor defense.
Peralta to Porto. Now, Formento setting up her teammate, Alimen. Pero napasobra yung push.
Now, jersey number 7, Makasaet.
Razonable receives that one. Formento. In her middle, 1-2 play para kay Peralta. No good. Now, Dayanan. Ball still alive. Lomod. And walang kumuha ng second ball on the side of EAC Manila. Let's take a look one more time for that instant replay. Sayang, andun sana yung coverage ni Dayanan.
Now, let's see again here. Makasaet. 4-point lead of EAC Cavite.
Formento in her middle. Nice rejection at the net. Now, ball is still alive. Formento to Dayanan. Pipe attack. Great day coming from Villagra. And Lomod with an attack error.
And also, kudos dito kay Dayanan. Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita niya dito sa side ng EAC Manila. Isa sa mga key players dito. Now let's see. 13-16, jersey number 12, Formento to serve.
Viniegra over receive and Magalona guarding the net on the side of VAC Manila. Formento to serve. Peralta setting up Lomod. And then yung libero, Formento to Dayanan, and Dayanan breaks down the wall. Ito yung na-mention mo kanina, Tin, on the side of EAC Manila, Dayanan.
And as we can see right now, Rick, na ibaba sa isa na lamang nakalamangan ang EAC Cavite na kanina medyo nahihirapan ito makalapit-lapit yung puntos nila. But now, they did it. Big thanks to Dayanan na very consistent yung laro dito.
Formento. And jersey number 19, Alimen, gets a point. 1 point lead na lamang, or we are all tied up at 16. Wow, what a chase on the side of EAC Manila.
Yes, a good run para dito sa kupunan.
Viniegra. And Lomod with that powerful cross-court hit. Bumawi ang EAC Cavite. Let's see on this replay. Wow, approach pa lang nitong si Lomod. Alam mo na makakakuha ng puntos. Formento to Alimen. Too strong on that cross-court hit. So point will go on the side of EAC Cavite.
Now, back to 2-point lead. Itong EAC Cavite. Ako, hindi talaga nila hinahayaan na lumapit pa itong EAC Manila. So let's see here. But that will be an error committed by Porto. Now as we continue this first set, will the EAC Manila got the lead here against Cavite? And the miscommunication sa side ng EAC Cavite. And with that, we are tied at 18 all. Second deadlock dito sa ating first set. Jersey number 19, Alimen. Sharp serve here. And that's an ace. And that's it. Nakuha na nga po ng EAC Manila yung isang puntos na kalamangan dito. What a good run for them. Pero mapapatawag nga dyan ng timeout itong EAC Cavite because of that momentum sa side ng EAC Manila. So let's see after this timeout with 19-18, a 1-point lead coming from the side of EAC Manila, kung ano kaya yung magiging adjustment dito ng EAC Cavite. Kasi knowing, kanina pa sila nagkakaroon ng gap against EAC Manila, but now, look at our score. It's just 1 point pero very big difference na para sa dalawang kupunan na ito.
Ayan, and a quick shout out on our live viewers. Shout out dito kay Nika Del Mundo, Kate Zaira, Rachel Mary Siboron, Mariel de Mapilis, at kay Bang Gibaw. Thank you so much and happy viewing.
Now, as we continue here, Alimen. Never received. Now Formento sets it out for Dayanan. And that will be a point for EAC Manila. EAC Manila having that 2-point lead. Alinian again to serve. Now that's a crucial error for the Manila side. Bade checks in para dito sa EAC Cavite. Now Formento, ibigay dito kay Dayanan. Vinegra, Lobod, free ball. One time for EAC Manila. And a powerful attack here from Cavite. Dayanan. Good floor defense coming from both teams. But at this time, EAC Cavite getting that point. Tied again on 20 all.
Peralta to serve on the side of EAC Cavite. Back-to-back service error. A crucial one on the side of this EAC Cavite.
Magalona now, 21-20. They have a point lead here.
Peralta setting up, makasait. Ball is still alive. Formento to Dayanan. Dayanan one more time. Great dig. Viniagra. Ball is still alive. Now Dayanan on the attack. Andon yung libero ng Cavite. Lomod, soft touch. Wow, floor defense on point for both teams. Lomod will try. Andon si Razonable. Dayanan will give up a free ball. Peralta setting up Lomod. And Dayanan and Formento on that blocking. Lomod denied at the net on that last play. 2 points ang hawak ngayon na kalamangan ng ating EAC Manila.
Dayanan. With the help of the net, a service ace. And now, just down to 2 points before they get the set number 1. Napatawag na nga ng timeout itong EAC Cavite. Now, what a good performance and a run coming from the side of EAC Manila. Pero, still, both teams nagpapakita dito ng magandang depensa. And of course, the attacks here, very equal. Yung ipinapakita nga ganda ng laro dito ng EAC Manila and EAC Cavite. So, kudos to both teams. Now, here are the highlights of the set number 1. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito ng dalawang kupunan. But now let's see if EAC Manila can get this first set against EAC Cavite. There's still a long run. Meron pang tsansa itong EAC Cavite to snatch this set number 1. So they need to be consistent right now. No room for error as for the side of EAC Manila. Now jersey number 3, Magalona. And that will be an outside serve, an error. Ito pala yung sinasabi natin kanina, no room for errors sa side ng EAC Manila. Nabigyan ng tsansa itong Cavite to regain again. Now let's see here. Nakasait. With that powerful attack, And they get it again. A momentum from the side of EAC Cavite. Now let's take a look at it again. A good communication and connection between the players of EAC Cavite. 22-23. Now let's see here. Jersey number 14, Lomod. A crucial error. And now a set point here. Jersey number 22, Dayanan.
Peralta setting up, Makasait.
(24-23). Now jersey number 16, Abdul Wahab. Checks in para dito sa EAC Cavite. 24-23. Still an opportunity here for EAC Cavite. Abdul Wahab serving.
Great serve. Now, Formento to her teammates. Porto setting up, too tight. Formento to Dayanan. Peralta setting up, Bade. And EAC Manila, jersey number 18, Razonable, ending this first set with a powerful hit. Let's see one more time on that replay. And we will be right back for our second set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng Mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives.
And we are back for the second set of the matchup of EAC Cavite at EAC Manila. Now, doon sa ating first set, nakuha nga ng EAC Manila yung set na yan, ending it by 25-23. Now, let's see here. Sa ating set number 2, if the EAC Manila continuously having this great momentum here, or the EAC Cavite will snatch the set and extend it.
Peralta, setting up Lomod. Peralta, pipe attack para kay Makasaet. Net touch on the side of Manila.
Now first point would go on the side of EAC Cavite. Now, jersey number 14, Domo, the serve.
Peralta to Lomod. Now Formento to Alimen, but straight to the net attack.
Now a good momentum para dito sa EAC Cavite. Jersey number 3, Peralta. Serving now.
Formento. This time to Dayanan. Andun si Makasaet. Now Lomod on the attack. Formento in her middle at nalunod sa set na yon si Lepitin. So again, great start on the side of EAC Cavite.
Now, a 2-point lead here. Peralta serving.
Service error. Crucial on the side of EAC Cavite because again, may one set na itong EAC Manila. Lepitan on the deck to serve. Back-to-back service error for both teams. Lomod.
Still a 2-point lead of EAC Cavite.
Formento to Alimen. And now Peralta setting up Makasaet. Dahil sila live. Down the line was good. Bade. Napalakas yung attack na yon.
Now Dayanan to serve. 4-3 on our scoreboard. Dayanan is one of the key players of EAC Manila.
Peralta ay now setting up Bade. Ball sila live. Alimen breaking down the wall. What a powerful attack. Let's see one more time for this replay. Formento to Alimen. Dayanan to serve. Lomod received that one. Peralta setting up Bade. Formento back to Alimen. And Alimen one more time. Cross court naman ngayon. Wow. Alimen making sure na maitatabla nila dito or malalamangan nila ang EAC Cavite with 1 point.
Now, what a great performance coming from Alimen. Kailangan lang maging consistent ng taga dito ng EAC Manila.
Peralta setting up, Makasaet. And Makasaet. Good shot on that last sequence.
Now here tied on 5 all. Jersey number 18, Mortel to serve.
Formento. And now Alimen on the attack. Great dig. Now Bade. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Alimen. Medyo nailabas yung down the line hit para dito kay Alimen. And now, 1-point lead will go on the side of VAC Cavite. Mortel again on the deck to serve. Formento, pababawiin si Alimen. And what a dig para dito kay Mortel. Black. Ball will go on the side of EAC Cavite. And Bade, unfortunately, an attack error on their side.
Now Dequilia will check in here. Exchange of Formento rather. Now Alimen. Service ace coming from Alimen.
Alimen one more time on the service line. Another great serve. Free ball para dito sa EAC Manila. Formento in the middle. And getting a point, Magalona. Let's see one more time for this replay. Napaganda pa nga yung attacking yon. Broken play. But still, a point is a point.
Now, 2 puntos na kalamangan ng EAC Manila. Nahabol pa dito ni Bade. But that point will go onto the side of EAC Manila. And with that, a timeout was called sa side ng EAC Cavite. Kasi good run para dito sa EAC Manila. But now let's see here kung ano magiging adjustment naman ng EAC Cavite. Tapos meron ng malaking advantage sa side ng EAC Manila, snatching that first set. So now, sa ating second set, kailangan pakitaan dito ng EAC Cavite ng mas magandang gameplay. Now back to the ball game here. 6-9 on our scoreboard. 3-point lead of EAC Manila. Now Alimen again to serve here.
Peralta setting up Bade. Ball is still alive. Makasaet, it doesn't cross the net. So the point will go on the side of Manila.
Now big lead here of EAC Manila. Alimen still on its service deck. Now ready to serve. That will be an error this time. So this is an opportunity for EAC Cavite. 7-10 on our scoreboard.
Bada to serve. Formento to Domo, and Domo with an error.
Ngayon na ibawa muli sa dalawang kalamangan dito ng EAC Manila with that back-to-back error coming from their team. Now jersey number 5, Bade, serving. And that's a third error in a row dito sa EAC Manila. Now Razonable checking in. With that, isang puntos na lamang hinahabol dito ng EAC Cavite. Bade. Alimen. Medyo napalakas doon sa ataking yun. Now with that errors of EAC Manila, we are tied on 10-all.
And now, jersey number 5, Bade, still serving on the side of Cavite. But this time, siya naman ngayon ang may error. EAC Manila with 1-point lead. Shout out tayo din sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out kay Mary Tony Obias Lumod, kay Joyce Lapiten, kay Rexley Itugot, kay Marvin Lomod, at kay Jet Ruel Barredo. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now 10-12 on our scoreboard. 2 puntos na kalabangan dito ng EAC Manila. Now Magalona to serve here. An error. Medyo napaparami na yung error dito na nakukommit ng EAC Manila. And they need to lessen that now. Dahil mas lumapit na yung kalamangan o yung puntos dito ng EAC Cavite. Jersey number 7, Makasain.
Formento. Ball sila live, Peralta. And a free ball on the side of EAC Manila. Wow. And point conversion on the side of Manila coming from that quick hit. Jersey number 2, Dequilia on the deck to serve. Peralta to Porto. Bala sila live. Peralta to Porto. Wow. Great floor defense on the side of Manila. Peralta. At the back. And now Formento sa ating upper teammate. Libero will set up. We have a long rally here. Alimen at the back. Lomod. Andun si Razonable. Formento. Great dig. Now, we have a long rally. Razonable getting the point coming from that hit. Wow. Razonable ending that long rally.
Napakaganda din naman ng mga ipinakitang atake and floor defense dito of both Cavite and Manila. Now let's see here, 11-14, a 3-point lead coming from the side of EAC Manila. Now jersey number 2, Dequilia.
Too strong service error on the side of EAC Manila. Again, you cannot afford to give a free point to your opponent. That's why they need to lessen their error. Porto with that service error too. Back-to-back service error for both teams. Grabeng regalo ang binibigay dito for both teams. Rationable. On the service line. Peralta to Lomod, adjusting on that set. Outside. So another unforced error on the side of VAC Cavite. That's why 16-12 on our scoreboard. Abante dito ang ating EAC Manila.
Razonable. Serving again. Now Peralta, Satsirato, Kasait.
Peralta in the middle. Andon yung depensa ng ating EAC Manila. Peralta to Lomod. And Lomod with a beautiful cross-court hit.
(13-16). Jersey number 3, Peralta.
Razonable receives that one for Mento to middle. And now Dayanan. No touch. Point will go on the side of VAC Cavite. 14-16. 2 more points to tie this matchup.
Kaya naiba na nga ng EAC Cavite. Now Formento, babalik muli dito sa side ng EAC Manila.
Peralta with that service. Great serve. Free ball para sa EAC Cavite. Peralta to Bade, and Bade successful on that hit.
Ngayon, let's see it one more time as Bade. Mas pinalapit pa dito yung puntos ng EAC Cavite. 15-16. Peralta to serve. Now, Formante. Oh, still live here. Bibigay kay Alimen.
Peralta to Lomod. Lomod getting a touch on that attack. And now, side up at 16. Great chase on the side of VAC Cavite. Now Peralta on the deck to serve.
Grabe yung tinrabaho dito ng EAC Cavite to tie the game, but an error with that service coming from Peralta. Nabawi agad dito nga EAC Manila. Now Lepitan to serve.
And a service ace para kay Lapitan.
Now a back-to-back error coming from the side of EAC Cavite. Now Lepitan. 18-16. 2-point lead from their team. Nagkakagulo dito sa kabila. Now Lomod. But that point will go on to the side of EAC Manila. 4 touches ang itatawag dyan. Speaking of errors, EAC Cavite now committed several errors dito sa ating set number 2. Jersey number 5. Bade serving. It's Lepitan rather. Peralta sets it up to Lomod. But a strong attack coming from her. With that, a timeout was called sa side dito ng EAC Cavite. 16-20. Apat na agad yung tinrabaho ng EAC Manila here. Now, let's see. After this timeout, kung anong gagawin ng dalawang kupunan. Most especially sa side ng EAC Manila. Dahil nakuha na nga yung set number 1. Now, sa set number 2, nakita natin yung magagandang plays nila dito with this highlights. And of course, sa side naman ng EAC Cavite, ngayon sila yung naghahabol dito. So let's see kung anong gagawing adjustment nila dito to lessen that errors na nagawa nila during the first minutes of the set number 2. Now we are back with 16-20. 5 puntos na lang para dito sa EAC Manila to get the set number 2. Now Lepitan to serve. Bade with an attack. And Alime with that powerful attack. Napakaganda ng performance dito ng EAC Manila. Now, a quick shout out lang din dito sa ating mga sponsors. UCCL Season 18 is brought to you by Sona Corporation, Molten Philippines, Mikasa Philippines, Southeast Star Enterprises, Faith Colleges, Oragon Sports TV, GNN TV 48 Naga, and Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, back to the ball game. Bade, too strong for that one. So, a point again sa side ng EAC Manila, 16-22. Now, a big gap here. Now, Balasan, papasok sa side ng EAC Manila. And still on that service deck, Lipitan.
Peralta to Lomod, and Lomod getting a point. Lomod to serve on the side of EAC Cavite. Lomod receives that one. Peralta to Makasait. Wow, the floor defense on the side of Manila. Now Peralta in her middle. And still alive, Makasait for that soft touch. Alimen again. Breaking down the wall on the side of EAC Cavite. And a substitution, Carpizo.
Now 17-23, just 2 points para sa EAC Manila para dito sa ating set number 2. Now let's see here. And they get it, Cavite. Still hanging for our second set. Abdul Wahab papasok muli dito sa side ng EAC Cavite. And he will be, or she will be serving for the side of EAC Cavite.
Formento setting up, and now free ball on the side of VAC Manila in the middle. Ball is still alive. Bodonal setting up her teammate, and jersey number 26 Carpizo getting a point.
Now, isang puntos na lamang for EAC Manila, set point. Now, Alimen. And that is still inside, winning the set number 2, 25-18. We will be back for our third set. At titignan natin kung kukunin na ba ito ng EAC Manila or babawi ang EAC Cavite. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise.
And we are back para dito sa ating third set with EAC Manila having 2-set advantage against EAC Cavite. Na dito sa ating third set, papayagan ba ng EAC Cavite na matapos agad ang larong ito or the EAC Manila mas bibilisan nila para makuha ang momentum for this third set. Now, first point sa side ng EAC Manila. Now, Lepitan to serve. Safe serve. Jersey number 14 with that attack. Alimen naman ngayon. But that will be a point for EAC Cavite with that 4 touches. Abangan niyo po mamaya ang ating last game for the girls volleyball division. It's the finals between University of Batangas and the Nago College Foundation. Now, sunod-sunod na pagpuntos dito ng EAC Cavite. Agad kinuha yung magandang momentum dito, but let's see if they will be consistent with their gameplays.
Aliman will try. Peralta. To Martela now. Caprizo. No good. Caprizo with that attack. First point. Or rather, we are all tied up at 2 para dito sa ating third set.
Number 26.
Great attack coming from Makasait. Now, EAC Cavite on the deck to serve. Mortel. Peralta. Double touches. Was called on Peralta on that last sequence. That's why we are all tied up at 3. Again, pag nanalo pa dito ang EAC Manila, they will get this game number 1. And if you are on the side of EAC Cavite, kailangan ditong mag-double effort if they want to extend this match. Service error for Aliman. Pare. Serve para sa EAC Cavite.
Now, now the EAC Manila and EAC Cavite. What a good set number 3. Now let's see here. Cersei, number 20. Makasait again. But it will be a point sa EAC Manila. Jersey number 20, bala dyan. Now, Formento serves 6-5, a point lead coming from the side of EAC Manila.
Formento to serve on the side of EAC Manila.
7-6 on our scoreboard. Now Formento. That point will go on the side of EAC Manila. Now a 2-point lead here. Good momentum para dito sa ating set number 3. Well, the EAC Manila or Cavite will snatch the win this afternoon. Lomod with that powerful attack. Now Peralta. Naghahabol dito ng isang puntos.
Alimen with that score. Now, Lepitan on the service line, ready to serve on the side of Manila. Service ace para dito kay Lapitan. Kanina pa ito si Lapitan with her service ace.
10-7 on our scoreboard now. Lapitan again. Malaking 3 points na kalamangan dito.
One more time for her. And back-to-back service ace for Lapitan. At dahil dyan, napatawag ng timeout dito ang EAC Cavite. Now, ano ang magiging adjustment on the side of EAC Cavite knowing na sila ang naghahabol dito ng score? And of course, dalawang set na ang nakuha nitong EAC Manila.
Now let's see it again. The highlights. EAC Manila enjoying that 4-point lead here. But still, hindi dapat magpakampante dito. Because knowing the EAC or EAC Cavite, pwedeng humabol. Now a quick shoutout lang tayo dito sa ating live viewers. Shoutout to Crystal Maria, Chicanaya Paraiso, kay Cristina Valenzuela, Marnella Birido, James Angelo Gabada, Jameson Brenya, and Janaila Basales. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, will EAC Manila end this with the set number 3? Let's see here. Lepitan still serving for their side. Jersey number 14, Formento sets it up to Alimen, and they get it again. Now this is the biggest gap for a third set. Let's see it one more time. Alimen with that powerful attack, adjusting the lead by 5 points. Lepitan. Now that's a service ace. Grabe yung momentum ngayon ng EAC Manila. They are consistent kanina pa. Lepitan again. But this time, an error. They cut off the momentum. pambawi dito ng EAC Cavite. Jersey number 14, Lomod. Caprizo for that attack. Makasait ngayon. Aliman, one more time. Good save for EAC Cavite. Soft touch para dito kay Balasan. Good set number 3 for EAC Manila. Less error doon sa kanilang side. Now Hutalia will check in para dito sa EAC Cavite. Jersey number 26, Carpizo. Let's see here. An error.
$14-9 on our scoreboard. Now, Hutalia serving. Formento to Carpizo. And Carpizo very effective on that soft touch. Now, Aliman on the deck to serve. Pero napalakas yung service. So the point will go on the side of Cavite. Free ball on the side of Cavite. Pipe attack for Aliman. Bakit pa rin ang bola. Formento, inner middle. Wow, what a rally and defense. Outside now, Bade to serve. Balasan to serve. Makasait. And a free ball para dito sa EAC Manila. Formento in the middle. And Lepitan will get a score.
Now, malapit na para dito sa EAC Manila. 17-11. A 6-point lead here. Medyo nahihirapan dito ang EAC Cavite. So, a timeout para dito sa side ng EAC Cavite. Nahihirapan sila dito to execute an attacks. Dahil napakalakas nung connection to mga players ng EAC Manila. So let's see here if magiging consistent ba itong Manila side para dire-diretsong makuha yung puntos dito at tapusin na agad sa set number 3. Shout out din tayo sa ating live viewers. Shout out kay Evelyn Reyes. sa lahat pong nanonood sa atin ng live dito sa Oragon Sports TV. Again, abangan po natin ang ating last game for the finals. It's between the University of Batangas and Naga College Foundation. Now, back to the ball game here. It's jersey number 20, Balasan, to serve. And a service ace para dito kay Balasan. 18-11. Now let's see here one more time. Ni AC Cavite struggling here to get a point. Good momentum para dito sa side ng EAC Manila. Ang ganda-ganda nung nagiging momentum dito ng EAC Manila. And Balasan still on the service deck.
Another great serve. Peralta setting up Makasait. Formento. To jersey number 18, Razonable. 5 more points to secure the first game para dito sa ating finals. Now, Balasan again, serving. Peralta, one-hand set, and Porto with an attack error. So, EAC Manila is very happy and comfortable with the lead.
Now, Balasan, 4 points away. Ito EAC Manila. Makasait. Formento. Tataas dito. And that point will go to the side of EAC Cavite. Makasait serving. Play here. Makasait. Good save. Soft touch. Now EAC Cavite. One more time for Makasait. Good rally here. EAC Manila getting that point after that long rally. 22-12, 3 points away para dito sa EAC Manila.
Now, Formento to serve para dito sa EAC Manila. What a serve! Free ball ang ibibigay dito sa Manila. Formento. To Razonable. Great save. Lomod will try. Soft touch. Bantay sarado dito. Formento to Carpizo. Peralta. One more time for Lomod. And Lomod getting a point on that down the line hit.
Another point here for EAC Manila, 23-13, big 10-point lead of Manila. Now Razonable.
Peralta sa ating Aplomod. And too strong on that attack. So, EAC Manila is on the match point. Razonable. Good serve. And Lomod with an attack error. And with that, EAC Manila wins this game number 1 with a sweep. 25-13 on our final score dito sa ating third set. When we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. So tutok lamang only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Our best player of the game comes from the Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila. Jersey number 19, we have 23 points, 15 attacks, 3 blocks, and 5 service aces. Ngayon, Alimed, gaano ba ka-importante itong panalo ng EAC Manila against EAC Cavite?
Sobrang importante po kasi sa mga, like, mga last 1 week po namin, grabe po yung ensayo namin. Kaya, pinaudawan po namin.
So ano ba naging advantage ng EAC Manila against sa EAC Cavite?
Actually, same lang po. Magkaiba lang po talaga ng Pero yung pride din po talaga. Yan po kasi yung laging sinasabi, pride lang po talaga.
Yan, batiyan mo na ang mga gusto mong batiyan ngayon.
Shoutout po sa family ko sa Iloilo po. Ingat po. kayo.
Ayan. Maraming salamat again. That's our best player of the game, Alimed. At magbabalik po kami mamaya for our finals game. Dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.